Now question number 5, please. Construct a frequency table for the following. Construct a frequency table for the following, and these are the numbers. So question number 5, we can draw uh, this. Okay. What is the correct the frequency table? Then these are the what numbers? Numbers. Then telemark, and then frequency. Visible. Okay. Good. And the numbers, the minimum, tell me the minimum number. Minimum is what? Minimum, minimum. Okay. And the maximum, I don't know, you can see 10 is there. Yes. Yes, the minimum is 5 and the maximum is 10. So we can start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Now, Asta, tell me the number, please. You just read the number, I will put the telemark. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. 7. 8. Okay. Hmm. 6. Done? Good. So now this is the telemark according to these frequency whatever given in the book. So the frequency for 5 is 2, frequency for 6 is 4, frequency for 7 is 7, and frequency for 8 for 5, and 9 for 2, and 10 for 2. Now total. This is 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 20 and 22. So we know now this is not given in the question, but every time this is given, what is the total? Total is there. So before making a frequency distribution table, you have to check the minimum and maximum, and then write down this. Here, nothing. The information is just about the number, so I just write number. If it is another, then you can write that thing also. So this is the question number 5, and now it is a fill in the blanks. So question number 6, I think you all can do by your own. Oh, the chapter is finished now. Today we will start the next chapter, pictograph. And question number 6 is your homework. Everyone write down please. Question number 6, fill in the blanks. Blanks, do in homework copy, okay? This is the homework now. And please copy it. I will now copy it, everyone. Good. Pictograph is also the same thing like the data handling. Basically, the pictograph is also same like the data handling, but in this in the pictograph we are not, we do not represent the frequency with telemark. We can represent the frequency with a pictures. That is why it is called pictograph. That is why it is called pictograph. Now everyone, please open the next pictograph, page number 136. Pictograph, chapter number 23. And this is basically the easy question, easy chapter, but and there is nothing to explain. Just the thing is कि we do the pictograph, whatever we did in data handling. In data handling, we are making the telemarks for the frequency. In this, we can use a picture to represent the frequency. And now the first line that is written in the book, and information regarding the number of certain things can be nicely conveyed through the picture. Pictograph, the representation of an information through picture is called pictograph. Now let us start with examples. Now the example number 1. Sneha, can you read this? Sneha, can you read the example number 1? Just read the question, please. I don't know what happened with her. Okay, I will read the question. The number of cricket bats sold by a shop during a week are given below. This is the table that is given here. Days, num this is the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and number of bats sold. This is on Monday, this is 20, on Tuesday it is 12, Wednesday 24, Thursday 32, and Friday 8, and Saturday 16. These are the number of bats sold in consecutive days or different days. And now it's up to us कि how to take a scale. This is very important in pictograph. You have to take a scale. See 20, 12, 24, 32, 8, 16. You can see all are even numbers. If there is an even number, you can take a scale even like 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. Okay. And now in example number 1, the scale. Scale is here is scale is basically what there is. You have to draw a bat because this is a sale of bat. Not every time, but you have to. I don't know how to make a bat. ऐसे ही बना देता हूँ मैं, or you can just understand it, please. Okay, now this is a bat. This is a bat now, and one bat is this. There is three. See, and this three sign is called similar. One bat is equal to, here is the 4 bats sold. Or if you want to write, you can 2, 5, whatever. It's up to you, because in the in our table there is a even number, so we will take even number only. तो वो हमारे लिए easy होगा. Otherwise, suppose कि now this is the bat is according to the book the bat is 4. Suppose bats sold, And now suppose on now this is the table. This is the day, and this is the number of bats sold. Suppose on Monday, suppose on Monday 6 bats are sold. Then how do we represent this figure? कोई बता सकता है कि how do we represent the half? आस्था नहीं? Yes, exactly. If the sale on Monday is suppose 6, then we have to draw one complete bat and one half bat like this. Just see, just like this, we have to draw the half bat. Half bat means that the 2, because the full bat means that 4 bat, then half we represent by drawing half bat. Is that clear now? Okay, now the Monday. Monday, please tell me the Monday sale. 20. 20. Yes, we have to draw 5 number of bats. 5 number of bats. And the drawing is not very compulsory कि बहुत accurate होना चाहिए. बस you have to draw. सबको draw करना है and try to draw good. Now see, on Monday, this, and one bat represent 4. It means that 4 times 4 is equal to 16 bats sold on this day. Sorry, then we have to make one more. 5 times 4, it will be 20. Is this clear to everyone? Only you are there और बाकी सब क्या कर रहे हैं? यस सर, मतलब ऐसा लगा जैसे सो रहे थे. चिराग, फीवर हो गया तुम्हें? कैसे भाई, फीवर कैसे हो जाता है? एंड अदर सौरभ क्या सौरभ, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? एवरीवन ट्राई टू रिस्पॉन्स मी, अदरवाइज मुझे क्या पता चलेगा तुमने क्या सीखा? सो प्लीज रिस्पॉन्स इन द क्लास. एंड आई डोंट नो who is now in the class. How many students, Asta? 8? 10 student is there. And now you know you tell me how many students are in class 6? How many students in class 6? Out of 30 students, only 10 students are doing the class. और उसके बाद फिर मार्क्स जब आता है तो पता चलता है कि अरे किसी को 12 आ रहा है, किसी को 8 आ रहा है, किसी को 10 आ रहा है. What is this? I don't understand. जब क्लास हो रही है तो you have to attend the class. Okay. Now see, on Tuesday, the number of bats sold is 12. So you have to Tuesday, you have to draw 12. So there is only 3 bats. And everyone must have to draw. सबको draw करना है ये. So this means that this is not required to write in this. Don't write this. Don't write this. Only the information is given in the form of pictures. I just tell you कि my scale is 1 bat is equal to 4 and the Tuesday the number of bats sold is 12. So there we can draw 3 bats. Now 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. This shows that this 3 bats shows that the number of bats sold on Tuesday is 12. Now it is clear. This is called a pictograph. और इट्स नॉट ये कोई वो नहीं है, इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू ड्रॉ द बॉय देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. सपोज नाउ रीड द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. आस्था. Yes. No, no, it's okay. Okay, okay, okay. Now here the scale is what? What is the common? What is the common for this? What is the? Yes. Now you see, we are not able to draw the bicycle because the space is very small. So better we can represent all by 1. Suppose there is a triangle which shows 10 students. 10 students. Okay. By अब इसके लिए सब में this is common for the all. This is common for the all. Means if the student use bicycle, then we have to draw the triangles either by car, either by other buses, or by walk. You can draw the triangle only. It's not necessary to represent every time with a figure. The triangle is okay. Now everyone understood? You can use other figure also. It's not necessary ki up. Now see, triangle, if you want to change, nahi, we have to change the every figure. So then this is walking. Now draw a circle. This is equal to same 10 students and this is by bicycle. Bicycle. Now you can draw a parallelogram like this. Parallelogram. Now this parallelogram shows that 10 student using car. Then you can draw star. This shows that 10 student by bus. Is that clear everyone? Now this is clear. This is clear everyone. You can use, or you can use your figure, whatever comfortable for you. You can use according to the question. क्लियर एवरीवन. और कोई डाउट है प्लीज कोई पूछ ले कि सर मुझसे बाइसाइकिल नहीं बनेगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा, और मुझसे बस नहीं बनेगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा. Now it is clear everyone कि if you are using your own shapes to represent the following question of frequency, this is basically called a pictograph. But you have to use the pictures to represent the frequency in your table. Clear everyone? Good. Now see the example number 3. Now see the example number 3. The pictograph is given to you and now you have to answer the question. Do the example number, now example number 3. Yes, everyone read. देखा सबने? Now see, the scale. Scale basically, we have to, example number 3, the scale is, there is one computer, so you can draw computer, तो draw कर सकते हैं मेरे ख्याल से. Just see. Now the computer, and the computer is similar to what? This figure is similar to 6 computer. Yes? Now Monday there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone write the numbers. See, everyone must write the numbers here. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 and 1 like this. See, is it be visible? Good. Now start reading the question. Yes, Asta, read the first part. Friday. Okay. Now answer the question. Friday, how many computers sold? Yes, you have to write like this. See, Friday, number of computers sold. Sold is equal to what? Friday, the number of computer, the picture is 4, 4 times 6, which is equal to 24 computers. Is that clear now? And now, second question. किसी एक का भी नाम लो इधर. रजनी का किसी का भी नाम लो आस्था. Just tell me the name, one name. Except Chirag. Anshika, are you there in class? Then, why don't you say anything? You are available in class. You are present in class. Now read the second question, please. Question of example number 3, part 2. Anshika. पता नहीं क्या हुआ अब उसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. How many computer was sold on Monday? Now Monday, number of computer sold is equal to number of computer sold. Monday is 5. So we just do like this, 5 times 6, which is equal to 30 computers. Now is it clear with everyone? Good. I think what is the time now? Now time is just finishing. So everyone do question number 1 from exercise 23 in homework. Clear? Good. Good. So now the class is over and Astha और जो बाकी हैं, how many students score less than 15 marks? Anyone is there who scored less than 15 marks? Rajni? I think everyone scored more than 15 marks. Okay, good, very nice. Bye bye, take care everyone. The class is over now. Bye bye.